How one of my, which is surprising, he's looking for makeup. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is Raksha Bandhan special. So, what is your name?
Sparsh.
And how old are you?
8.
8? So this is my brother Sparsh, and he's 8 years old now. And he's not this tall. We've put pillows here so he can sit and be in the frame. So, do you know what we're doing today? This guy doesn't know what we're doing today. So what you have to do is, tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan and this is my makeup bag. So you're going to do my makeup for Raksha Bandhan. Okay? Do you know how to do makeup?
Something.
Okay, so we're starting now. As you can see, I don't have anything on my face except for like moisturizer. And you ready? Wait, first tell people what you're doing.
Clear, smooth, all in one BB.
BB cream. So you're putting BB cream on my skin because you think BB cream it goes on the skin. Okay, go. Okay, we're putting it directly from the tube. Okay. Why are you so scared?
First time.
So you're scared. I'm not going to take pictures, it's okay. What about my nose?
Cool.
Okay.
Brush.
You want a brush? Okay.
Eyebrow no so yellow brown color eyebrow.
Eyebrow? What do you want? You want an eyebrow pencil? Wait, where is my eyebrow? Okay, so this is my eyebrow pencil. Done? Okay. Cool. Nice. What do you want to do now? Eyeshadow? You want to color on my eyelid? Okay, so these are the two palettes I have here. So this is our palette. Let's see what he wants to do. Should I close my eyes? You want to do the other eye?
Glittery.
You want to do different in both eyes? Okay. So that's how my eyeshadow looks. What do you want to do next? What do you want next?
Eyeliner.
Okay, so I have a pencil eyeliner and a liquid eyeliner. This is like a paint bottle, like you have a paintbrush and a which one do you want?
Out of control.
You want a pencil eyeliner. So you'll do my eyeliner now. So that is how one of my, which is surprisingly good, but this is how one of my eye looks. The next one. How do you know how to put eyeliner? Did I see? Okay, so that's what we have on our other eye, and this is the pencil one, and this is the liquid one. Okay?
Video में जो है तो नीचे in here also it will come.
Here, what do you want? Do you want like a kajal pencil? White and black.
One black, one white.
So you want to put one black eye, one white eye. So this is our white underline. So this is our black underline, and this is our white underline, and this is what we're doing today. And what do you want to do next? That's our blush. Okay. That is my lipstick for today. What else? You want to put?
Border
Yeah. You want to put?
with a brush. Thin brush.
You want to put it with a thin brush. Okay. You want to put highlighter with a thin brush. Where do you want to put it? Done? What else? You want to do that again?
Here.
Here.
Remaining.
Acha, you want to do it there. Give, I'll open. What else do you want to do? That is a lipstick. That is a lip stain.
Lip stain.
Yeah.
Liquid matte.
Yeah, it's the Huda Booty. Huda Beauty. Go.
Mix it.
Mix it like that. Okay. Yeah? Done? All good? This is your final look? Okay. What do you want me to do with my hair? Do you want me to open it now? Leave it like that? Oh, this is what Sparsh has created.
First time.
Okay, and this is the highlighter that he used here, the eyeshadow, and the highlight that he did here. So did you have fun doing this?
Yes.
Was it fun?
Yes.
How do you think I look right now?
Nice.
I look nice? Are you proud of what makeup you did today?
First time.
Nice, no? Okay, so if you guys liked it,
Subscribe, like and share.
yay! See you guys next time. Bye!